I show up to this job. They got the valve shut off here. The problem is they're having no pressure to the lavatory at all, no hot. So much so that I took it off. I mean, they had it off. Nothing was coming out of that line. So then my next question is, well, which way does it go? We're on a slab, but I don't think it goes that direction. I look inside there, I see a 90's down. I'm like, cool, I'm gonna cut a hole to see if it goes into the slab. It don't, at 90's over. I started a little hole here, then I'm like, well, let me see where it tees off, because our bathtub has pressure, our kitchen has pressure. I get a giant hole because I'm not sure where at, if even here. It could have been over in here where it teed off. Well, there's our tee for our hot. Great pressure at our bathtub. Great pressure at our kitchen. So then I start with another hole right here. See, the line continues. Obviously measured off of the thing. I start hearing water. That's where I cut the extra hole. I started hearing water in the wall. I'm like, oh geez, here we go. So I cut that extra hole. Over here on this side of the bathtub is that T, and it's about right here. So I'm like, well, cool. We know they dropped down on that side, I'd say. I cut a hole in the wall, find this leaking. Yeah, nice on the arrows. Cheap plumbing isn't always good plumbing. Way to go.